Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we're diving into a hottest topic, how to find an apartment in Dubai. We're going to explore popular areas like Dubai Marina, GBR and Business Bay, and we're going to have a tour and apartments of COLIFE. Imagine you've scheduled the viewings in the different areas and you're choosing the best one for you. By the way, the season when everybody returns back to Dubai is just around the corner. That's why COLIFE offers early booking at preliminary autumn prices. But for now, let's have a look at it. Our first apartment is in Dubai Marina. This area is famous for its stunning waterfront views and vibrant lifestyle, making it a top choice of any expats. This apartment is located in the Bay Central Tower. This beautiful one-bedroom has a spacious living room from floor to ceiling window, and don't forget the breathtaking view from the balcony. Imagine you sipping your morning coffee here. And the best part is everything you need within walking distance. Restaurants, cafe, and even the beach. The metro station DMCC is 12 minutes away from here. And don't forget the amenities. This building has a modern gym and swimming pool. I think this is the perfect option for solo freelancers or young couples. And let's move on. Welcome to the Business Bay. It's the perfect area for those who want to be in the heart of action. Welcome to a stylish one-bedroom apartment in the heart of Business Bay. Modern design, high quality finishes, and huge balcony and open layout makes it perfect for entertaining. The kitchen is fully equipped by top-of-the-line appliances, making it a dream for those who love to cook. And the major perk of this and other COLIFE apartments is that weekly cleaning, support, Diva, chiller, internet is all included in price. Business Bay offers great amenities, lounges, conference rooms, and even co-work spaces. Perfect for work and networking. What do you think about it? I think it's great. And finally, GBR, Jumeirah Beach Residence. If you dream of living by the sea, this is the place for you. Look at this bright and spacious two-bedroom apartment in GBR. It's so spacious. It's my favorite so far. I already can imagine how I spend my cozy weekdays and weekends here. It's definitely inspiring. Jumeirah Beach Residence is all about relaxed beachside lifestyle with plenty of cafes, restaurants, and beach activities. And of course, excellent amenities, gym, swimming pool, and even private access to the beach. So there you have it, 3 fantastic areas in Dubai, each with its unique lifestyle and vibe. Whether you're drawn to the energy of Business Bay, the waterfront romance of Dubai Marina, or the relaxed beach vibe in GBR, there is something here for everyone. Remember, the key of choosing the perfect apartment is knowing what suits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Share in the comments below which apartment you would choose. And to view an apartment in person, leave the request in the website via the link in the pinned comment. And see you next time!